Welcome to Unity 3D, and if you are trying to install Unity ads or just trying to update, like we have currently 2.0.8, and if we want to update or just want to install, like I want to install 3.4.2 version of Unity ads and I update it, they are showing some errors. I will show you how to fix them. Yes, now our ads are upgraded and name also changed. Unity has changed its name also, like first it was ads, now it is advertisement. When we updated it, we are showing too many errors, like feature null operator cannot be used. It is because it is not a part of CS 4.0 language. So here we find this error is causing too many errors, like 51 errors are there. So I will tell you how to fix it. Just go to file, build setting, and go to player setting. These errors are occurring because the .NET version we are using is not correct. So here we find other setting. In other setting we go to configuration. In configuration we are using .NET 3.45 equivalent, which is deprecated, means the .NET version we are using has been removed from Unity for future release. So just click on it and change it to .NET 4.x equivalent. When we click on it, it will ask for restart. Just click on restart. As the program is restarted, all our errors have been gone. So just wait a bit and our program is restarting. Our project is restarted. Now you will see there is no error. So just we need to change from 3.5 version to .NET 3.4.x version. So error has been fixed, and now you can use Unity ads. Thank you.